Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install iMagick on Rocky Linux 9.2. ImageMagick invoked from command line as Magick is a free and open source cross-platform software suite for displaying, creating, converting, modifying, and editing raster images. It also can read and write over 200 image file format and is widely used in open source applications. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Okay, let's move to the installation procedure. First, we need to install Apache and PHP by using the following command. Next, we need to enable and start Apache and PHP service by using the following command. Next, we need to allow the HTTP service in firewall by using the following command. After allowing the service, we need to reload the firewall by using the following command. Okay, now I am going to install Apple repository because iMagick software is only available in Apple M repository. Additionally, we need to enable the CRB repository by using the following command. Next, we need to build the M cache for newly installed M repositories by using the following command. All the repositories has been set up. Now we can easily install iMagick by using the following command. Now we can check the installed version of iMagick by using the following command. Our iMagick version is 6.9.12. Now we are going to install PHP iMagick by using the following command. Now we can install PHP iMagick by executing pickle command. Next, I am going to add the iMagick extension to php.ini file by using the following command. Next, we need to restart Apache and PHP service to load iMagick module by using the following command. Now we execute the following command to verify the iMagick module is loaded successfully. You can also verify this by creating a PHP info web page by using the following command. Now open the web browser and search our server IP address. Scroll down and you will find the iMagick section here. By this way you can install iMagick on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.